Well, hello there, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to go back into the house and do another home construction update. If you're a new visitor, I'm Jacqueline Marie and this is the sea green coastal cottage. So let's go ahead and get started. Today's video is house construction update number 3. The construction is going pretty fast. There is so many things happening. We're going to start with the exterior updates. They install these very cute cottage style shutters and also these decorative wood pieces on the porch. Now we're going to go through the front door into the foyer. All the walls have been touched up already, and after that it will be painted 2 additional times. The wall color is Sherwin-Williams Greek Villa and the trim is called Pure White. The electricians have been also doing some work and they have installed already all the can lights throughout the house. Now let's go take a look at the powder room. The powder room has only the plumbing connections installed, but they have not delivered the pedestal sink or the toilet. In the other side is the mudroom, and we're going to have a bench built on this area, but it has not been built yet. Now we're going to take a look at the kitchen. A lot of progress has been made. All the cabinets have been installed and also the countertops. Some of the cabinets doors are still pending to arrive. We selected white cabinets with a wood tone center island, and the faucet is antique bronze. For the counters, we selected quartz, and it's from the Musica collection of Beaterra, and the name is Forte. I love how this quartz turned out. It has very delicate veins in gray and brown, and it contrasts perfectly with the center island color. To contrast with the quartz countertops, we selected this beautiful and large farmhouse sink, and I love how it looks on the island. While I was filming the video, some of the construction workers came in to install the oven and the microwave, so I will give you a sneak peek of how it looks. They also put in place the dishwasher, but it's not connected to the water yet. When we remodel our kitchen in the house in Maryland, we use all these drawers like these ones, and I decided to use these ones in this house because they're very convenient. I love to put the pots and pans in drawers like these instead of cabinets. This is how the microwave and oven combo looks installed on the wall. In this side of the kitchen, there is a place for the refrigerator. This wall was recessed so the refrigerator won't stick out. For the center island, I chose a farmhouse cottage design with the crosses on the side of the island. The builder installed these white plates on the outlets, and I'm planning to remove them and change them and put some bronze style outlets. Now let's go ahead and take a look of what has been done in the primary bedroom and primary bathroom. The electrician already installed all the can lights, and in the center they will put a plate because I'm planning to put the same chandelier that I had back in my house in Massachusetts. A lot of work has been completed in the primary bathroom. All the tiles have been grouted, and they also installed the vanity and all the fixtures, including the light fixtures. The double vanity in the master bedroom has the same color as the kitchen island, but the doors are a different style from the ones that we have in the kitchen. For the countertop, we also use quartz, but a different style from the one in the kitchen. This one has some sparkles. For the faucets and door handles and the light fixture, we selected antique bronze. They also installed the toilet, but they still need to put some baseboards on this wall. The shower is almost done. All the tiles were already grouted and the plumbing was already installed. The tiles that we selected for this shower are porcelain tiles that resemble Carrara marble. And on the floor, we have penny tiles that are also in porcelain. Now we're going to go outside and I'm going to show you what has been done in the lanai and on the backyard. This large sliding door retracts to the other end of the wall, and it opens to the large lanai that is 15 by 15. I did not show you the lanai and the backyard in the last video because has been a lot of activity outside and we were not able to film. The builder had a contractor installing all the travertine marble on the floor, and the travertine marble extends to this beautiful pool that is 12 by 24 feet. The pool is a rectangular shaped pool, and it was designed to appear like an infinity pool that extends into the large pond that is behind our lot. In this side, we have the stairs to enter the pool and also a sitting bench. There is also a sitting bench in the other side of the pool. In this area, everything will be level and also planted with grass and some beautiful palm trees. And now let's go back upstairs and take a look at the upstairs bathroom to see what has been completed so far. This is the upstairs loft, and the electrician already installed the can lights. A lot of progress has also been made in the upstairs bathroom. All the tiles have been grouted and they installed the vanity, the toilet, and all the plumbing fixtures. For this bathroom, we selected the same faucets as the downstairs bathroom, but on a different finish. We selected a white vanity with the same quartz countertops as the one that we have in the primary bedroom downstairs. And my friends, this is all the house construction updates that have been done in the past month. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Jacqueline Marie, and this is the Sea Green Coastal Cottage. I will see you next time, and don't forget to subscribe.